better. How does that feel?
Yeah, I feel better.
Feels better?
Yes.
Okay, so try that one. And then you can use that as a spare. There you have it.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah.
My name is Aura Lindo, the last name Lindo. I heard from my daughter. She knows she passed by this place and she knows Leila. So I asked her, can you please ask Leila if you're okay to give me the year's age? It's changed so much because before I can't read almost nothing. And my daughter, my kid said, oh mom, you need the ears age. 8 years ago, I buy the one, but it's broken and they can't fix anymore. Yeah, so this changed a lot because now, and I hear so much voice in my head. I hear so much like that, so much beeps, and with this ears, it's so good.